Elevate your coffee experience with colorful coffee mocktails. Imagine a creamy coffee tonic, where rich, bold espresso mingles with bubbly tonic water, crafting a delightful explosion of flavors. A zesty lime slice sits atop this invigorating drink, turning each sip into a refreshing burst of energy and joy. Now, envision an iced coffee spritzer. Velvety cold brew flows into sparkling water, kissed by a dash of sweet vanilla syrup. This effervescent mix is the ultimate thirst quencher on a hot summer day. For those craving sweetness, a mocha mocktail beckons. Picture luscious chocolate syrup swirling into deep coffee, adorned with a fluffy mountain of whipped cream. This decadent drink is like dessert in a glass, guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. These mocktails are not just delicious, they're also incredibly simple to whip up. Impress your friends at your next gathering with these easy-to-follow recipes. So, grab your favorite coffee and let the creativity flow. Which mocktail will capture your heart? Share your top picks in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.